endoplasmic reticulum. Answer C. Nucleus. Which enzyme is responsible for unzipping the DNA during replication? A. DNA polymerase. B. Helicase. C. Ligase. D. Topoisomerase. Answer B. Helicase. The double helix structure of DNA was discovered by A. Rosalind Franklin, B. Watson and Crick, C. Gregor Mendel, D. Charles Darwin. Answer B. Watson and Crick. Which of the following bonds holds the two strands of DNA together? A. Ionic bonds. B. Covalent bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. D. Peptide bonds. Answer C. Hydrogen bonds. How many base pairs are in the human genome? A. 3 billion, B. 1 million, C. 100,000, D. 10 billion. Answer A. 3 billions. Which sugar is present in the DNA backbone? A. Ribose. B. Fructose. C. Deoxyribose. D. Glucose. Answer C. Deoxyribose. What is the complementary base pair for adenine in DNA? A. Guanine. B. Cytosine. C. Thymine. D. Uracil. Answer C. Thymine.
Which process copies DNA into RNA? A. Replication. B. Translation. C. Transcription. D. Mutation. Answer C. Transcription. What is the main function of DNA? A. Store genetic information. B. Provide energy to cells. C. Digest food. D. Transport oxygen. Answer A. Store genetic information.
Which enzyme synthesizes new DNA strands during replication? A. DNA ligase, B. Helicase. C. RNA polymerase. D. DNA polymerase. Answer D. DNA polymerase. Which structure protects the ends of chromosomes? A. Exons, B. Telomeres, C. Introns, D. Centromeres. Answer B. Telomeres. What term describes a permanent change in the DNA sequence? A. Mutation. B. Translation. C. Translocation. D. Replication. Answer. A. Mutation. Which enzyme joins Okazaki fragments during DNA replication? A. Ligase. B. Helicase. C. DNA polymerase. D. Primase. Answer. A. Ligase. Which type of RNA is involved in carrying genetic information from DNA to ribosomes? A. tRNA. B. rRNA. C. mRNA. D. siRNA. Answer. C. mRNA. Which base pair forms the strongest bond in DNA? Option A. AT. Option B. GC. Option C. AU. Option D. GT. Answer. B. GC. What is the role of histones in DNA? Option A. Enzymatic activity. B. Energy production. C. DNA packaging. D. Protein synthesis. Answer C. DNA packaging. Which disease is caused by mutations in the CFTR gene? Option A. Cystic fibrosis. B. Huntington's disease. C. Sickle cell anemia. D. Hemophilia. Answer A. Cystic fibrosis. Which process involves the formation of proteins from mRNA? Option A. Translation. B. Transcription. C. Replication. D. Splicing. Answer A. Translation. What is a codon? Option A. A type of protein. B. A sequence of 3 nucleotides. C. A lipid molecule. D. A sugar molecule. Answer B. A sequence of 3 nucleotides. Which component of DNA determines genetic diversity? A. Sequence of nitrogenous bases. B. Sugar phosphate backbone. C. Double helix shape. D. Number of hydrogen bonds. Answer A. Sequence of nitrogenous bases. Which structural feature of DNA provides stability to the double helix? Option A. Ionic bonds. B. Phosphate groups. C. Ribose sugars. D. Hydrogen bonding between bases. Answer D. Hydrogen bonding between bases. What type of bond connects nucleotides in a single strand of DNA? Option A. Covalent bond. B. Hydrogen bond. C. Ionic bond. D. Peptide bond. Answer A. Covalent bond. Which DNA strand is synthesized discontinuously during replication? Option A. Leading strand. B. Template strand. C. Coding strand. D. Lagging strand. Answer D. Lagging strand. What are the short DNA fragments produced on the lagging strand called? Options A. Codons. B. Anticodons. C. Okazaki fragments. D. Histones. Answer C. Okazaki fragments. Which nitrogenous bases are purines? Option A. Adenine and guanine. B. Thymine and cytosine. C. Uracil and cytosine. D. Adenine and thymine. Answer A. Adenine and guanine. Which scientist first identified nucleic acids? Option A. Watson and Crick. B. Frederick Griffith. C. Johann Friedrich Miescher. D. Erwin Chargaff. Answer C. Johann Friedrich Miescher. Which rule explains the base pairing in DNA? Option A. Mendel's law. B. Chargaff's rule. C. Newton's law. D. Boyle's law. Answer B. Chargaff's rule. Which of the following is a common method for sequencing DNA? Option A. Sanger sequencing. B. Western blotting. C. Centrifugation. D. Spectroscopy. Answer A. Sanger sequencing. Which structure is formed when DNA wraps around histone proteins? Option A. Chromatin. B. Ribosome. C. Nucleosome. D. Plasmid. Answer C. Nucleosome.